our next two competitors up in monster truck racing. Our next race in monster truck racing competition. Who thinks your winner is going to be Spitfire? Who thinks your winner is going to be Identity Theft? All right, let's get them changed up, see who it's going to be. From round number one of monster truck racing, they'll advance to our final round of monster truck racing later on tonight. California Kid and Identity Theft will face off for third and fourth place. We have seen so much action so far here in the first half of the Malicious Monster Truck Tour. But right now, we're going to get ready for intermission break. This is approximately a 20-minute intermission break. When we return back from intermission break, we will have our